This video contains the testing activities that further justifies the design projections of the future of an automatic changeover system, which is projected to carry out the following functions. Automatic switching into available power sources. Automatic offing of generator once the grid line is on. Unnoticeable flickering of power as a result of automatic switching. The system is further built with various features which include time delay switching, which is aimed to help protect against electric spike. Sound indicator, which is aimed to inform users that the green line is on. LED indicators, which is aimed to show voltage level such as the normal voltage which the yellow LED shows and poor voltage which the red LED shows. Circuit breaker, which is aimed to trip off once there is short circuit of wire connections at home, office, or anywhere the system is in use, which generally protect electronic devices at home. Voltage indicator, which is aimed to indicate voltage level. Override system, which is aimed to override the whole protective functions of the system and use available power exactly as it is. Electric fuse, which is aimed to protect the automatic changeover system, since the automatic changeover controls various power sources, and as such, the fuse protects the system from power that it can't control.
Alright, good day viewers, you're welcome to the new segment of our work, and trust me, we are here in Aspire Lab trying to test this Maverick rig. Trust me, we have the automatic changeover and we are leaving out of the manual settings today. You just on the gen and light will come up here very soon. Then just check it out once it plugs it in. So we have our system working, and here we are, the light is coming up, the gen is standing out. And once everything works out well, it will switch in, waiting for the lights in a moment. You switch off in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, you should have 5, 4, 3, 2, it should be coming up. Are you getting it now? There is a change. The thing went off, so it will reset again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stop. Daniel is stop. Okay, yeah, we are leaving. Good. So now we have the NEPA. There is now NEPA light, and the NEPA will switch over to the gen. So once every setting is okay, the thing will switch over after 20 seconds. And there is a buzzer. The buzzer sign is telling us there is light. The green light is on. So once everything works out well, go. As expected, I didn't switch it off myself, and everything is working. It switched on at 20 seconds, and everything is really working. I must tell you, this is a Maverick rig for the Aspire Lab company. And as time goes on, we're going to modify this system to the artificial intelligence, and this will be the big ball rolling for us. It's a very good ball for us, and we are really happy that it's really working. This is the circuit breaker. It's working. This is the override system, and we have it working for ourselves. So I can override everything and restart and fetch. That's the override. Now let's start first. After 20 seconds, the system will switch on its own without me switching it. It's really working. Coming up. On its own. And I don't know what else to say, but trust me, our work will keep on speaking for us. My name is Emmanuel Gabagus. I have Mr. What?
Mr. Gabriel.
Mr. Gabriel, who else do we have?
Daniel.
We all are here in Aspire Lab, seeing the great work speaking for us. We have no hacking system here, everything is really working for us, and it's from this system we qualify. And with this system we have modified, this is a manual work. Trust me, everything is really working for us. It's really working for us. From here, I say the thank you to you all. Thank you.
We will now confirm if the system has the ability to off the big generator.
We'll have the power to off this big generator. We're using a very massive generator, and this must be 2.5 kilowatts, right? So we are just trying to check if this system will be able to off it. off it, trust me, that will be the big ball rolling. Now let's check it out. So I'm setting everything, removing the switch, and removing the switch of this system and connecting it to our device. Let me just explain the settings we have here now. We are using two generators because there is no grid line currently on in this locality. So we are using two generators. Now this is the particular one acting as the main generator, and the one outside we are going to use it as the grid line. And once we on the grid line, provided that this one is already running, we expect this gen to go off. Once with this one, we are going to on this one first and foremost. Now using the light from this one, after like 30 seconds, we then go and on the grid line. Then
which one is grid line?
Grid line will be the one outside, which is the NEPA. So if the grid line comes, there will be a 20 seconds indication to tell us that the grid line is on. After 20 seconds, we expect this device to off this particular generator. We've already tested everything, and now yet we are trying to check it out so that you and I will see this together. It's a link. Let's check this out on the generator. So now the system has been created. After 10 seconds, it will switch to the generator. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, we have it here. So we have it already switched on the device. Everything is now working. So we are now using the device from this generator. Now it's going over on the NEPA. And once the NEPA is on, we expect this device to off this generator and this hole. Let's check it out. We are on it. So this will be the house outlet. So let's go.
Okay, I'm Mr. John Abay. I'm the founder of Aspire Lab.
Yeah.
Today, we are trying to test run an automatic generator changeover, which we have been working on Aspire Lab for the past few days. Our goal as an Aspire Lab is, one, we try to bring up Nigerian kids to become not only consumers of products, we're able to try to how we can incorporate this thing into schools, teach our children how to be able to build products. Invariably, in our schools now, we'll be working on hardware, we'll be building different products with our young men. These are one of our products we just built, which we are test running today, and this is going to change the narrative of power generation in Nigeria. Automatically, you can be able to change your generator from your mobile phone, because we are on the next level we are working on. We're going to make this thing an IoT of things, Internet of Things, and embedded system, which means by a click of your phone, you can be able to on your generator in the house or off your generator.
That's good.
Invariably, that's where we'll be going to. Thank you very much.